Do you like tiny cakes? You can have a tiny cake with a tiny carrot. Tiny carrot cake. I have two of those. There's this one too. They kind of got like a marshmallow frosting. Nice and fluffy. I also have some bunny ones. These ones have crooked ears. Crooked bunny ears. One. And crooked bunny ears. Two. I have straight bunny ears. One. And a big dollop of frosting for two. And guess what? You can put them all in this tiny baking pan, just like you did it right out of the oven. Or maybe they go on this little display, because it's time for a bunny party. The tiniest of parties.